Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily add or remove a watermark in an MS Word document. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, let's learn how to add a watermark. Open your MS Word document. Go to the Design tab on the ribbon. You'll see an option called Watermark on the far right. Click on Watermark, and you'll see a gallery of pre-designed watermarks, such as Confidential and Draft. Select one of these to add it to your document. If you want to create a custom watermark, click on Custom Watermark at the bottom of the menu. In the Printed Watermark dialog box, you have a few options. You can add a picture watermark or a text watermark. For a text watermark, type in your desired text in the text field. You can also customize the font, size, color, and layout. For a picture watermark, select Picture Watermark, then click Select Picture. Choose an image from your computer and click Insert. You can also adjust the scale of the picture and whether it should be washed out. Now, let's learn how to remove a watermark. It's very simple. Go back to the Design tab, click on Watermark, and then select Remove Watermark at the bottom of the menu. The watermark will be removed from your document. And that's it. You've learned how to add, customize, and remove watermarks in MS Word. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.